Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am sharing my mini Mystique haul. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. So I ordered these all products from Instagram store recently at Republic Day sale where I got a nice discount in every product. The page or store from which I ordered this all product is Nanmissclaire, Nanmissclaire, whose owner is Nana and she is so sweet. If you also want to order these products, please go and check it out, the Instagram page. I will give the link below in the description box. What you have to do is that go and follow her page and DM her and place your order. I got my order within 7 days and the quality was awesome. So let's see what product I get from this store. The first product which I get is Mystique lip cream. I bought these two shades in this range, but they have variety of shades in pink, red, brown, nude. But I pick only two shades. One is brownie pinky nude and the shade number is 31. This Mystique lip cream comes in number. They don't have any particular name like other brands have. And the second one is nice red color and the shade number is 37. This lip cream is the best matte lip cream available in the Indian market. It have light and very soft consistency. It didn't dry out your lips and the price of this lip cream is 170 rupees and the quantity is 6.5 gram and the swatches are here. This is number 31 and this is number 37. And the second product which I get is a Mystique single baked eyeshadow and the shade number is 20. It is a very nice rose gold shade which I like it, and they have a variety of shimmery shade in this range. This eye baked eyeshadow is very pigmented, as you can see here, and the price of this eyeshadow is 140 and the quantity of this product is 3.5 gram. And the third product which I get is a Mystique single eyeshadow pot and the shade number is 0210. It is nice brown shade. In this also you get variety of shades in matte and shimmers. This eyeshadow pot is also very pigmented. As you can see. And the price of this eyeshadow pot is 130 and the quantity of this product is 2 gram. And the fourth product which I get is Mystique eyebrow pencil and it is in the dark brown shade. It is also come in one more shade which is black. You have to sharp it and use it. The price of this product is 100 rupees and the quantity is 1.4 gram. It's glide easily and it has a very nice dark brown color, as you can see here. And the last and most favorite product which I get is the mermaid makeup brushes. I love these brushes. They are of awesome quality. You can get 10 brush set and all brushes are so soft, as you can see. You can use it for powdering, highlighting, contouring. in whichever use you want. I'm totally in love with this product. The price of this brushes is 650 and it worth the price. And I get this cute little free gift also from this store, and I love it. So overall I am so happy and satisfied with all the product which I get from this store, and I will highly recommend this to every makeup beginners. So if you also want to buy, I will give the link below in the description box. Please check it. So hope you like my mini Mystique haul. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this all product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.